What's up guys, it's A here from Tech Bomb and welcome to another PC build on the channel. Today I'll be featuring the cheapest PC possible by using PC part picker and selecting the cheapest parts available to build our PC. Now of course this won't be able to play any games like GTA 5 on 60 frames per second. It won't even play at 5 frames, never mind 30 frames. But of course all of the parts mentioned in the video will be linked down below, and without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So let's begin this PC build by selecting the cheapest possible CPU we can find in PC Parts Picker. So this AMD 2650 is only at £19.99, which is the cheapest I could find, and this runs on a 1.45 GHz dual core processor and has a CPU cooler included. Alright then, next is the motherboard, which is the ASRock AM1B-M motherboard, which allows you to have up to 32 GB of RAM, and in my opinion this has a really awesome look to it. So the cheapest memory I could find is this 2 GB module by Kingston at 1333 MHz, which is only on for £8.87. Now I can't get any cheaper than that. I'm not saying I'm a cheapskate, but you know. Anyways, so let's take a look at storage. Well, you get 160 GB of Western Digital for only £13.75, which isn't that bad I suppose. Now the Asus Radeon 5450 graphic card is really awesome for the price of only £23.90. You get a 1GB DDR3 of course, crossfire support and great performance. Okay, maybe not so great, but you know, don't expect this damn thing to play GTA 5 at 60 frames per second. It will barely play it at 5. But anyway, that's not the point. This is all about the cheapest build. Next we'll move on to the case. This Zalman ZMT1 Plus case is at £25.97, which is a case in the end, and you can install all your parts, and that's all I'm going to say about this case. Anyways, all that will be powered by this EVGA 430 watt 80 plus certified power supply, which is more than enough for our build, and of course because it's dirt cheap, only at £26.99, I had to include it in the build. And finally, an optical drive. This Samsung DVD drive is only on for £8.75, which is a bargain. And if you guys think I'm reading that sentence of a title for this optical drive, then you guys have got something else coming. Anyways, that's all of our parts, and this adds up to a total of £151.42, which is the cheapest PC I could put together on PC Part Picker, and of course this is brand new of course. So guys, there you have it, the cheapest PC build ever on the channel and maybe on YouTube. And of course, if you guys like the video and want to see the most expensive PC build on the channel and maybe on YouTube, then give a like to this video and drop it down in the comments below saying you guys want to see the expensive PC build. And of course, that's all from me. Thank you all very much for watching. Hit that like, share and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.